Timeline 0. Can you find the flag in this image? Wrap what you find in the pico-CTF flag format. Download the disk image here. It is to create a sleuthkit Mac timeline. Sloppy timestamp can yield very old timestamps. All right, so I've grabbed a copy of the SIFT workstation from SANS. It has lots of free open source forensics tools. So we'll grab this here. We're going to go ahead into our toolkit and we'll grab that image file. So we'll decompress that. So the first thing we're going to need is FLS. FLS is going to give us a body file that we can use to make timelines. So here's our command line. We'll come back over here. Our file is called partition4 image. Then we're going to use Mac time, which is going to take in a body file. And we can filter it, but we're going to not do that. So we'll just do Mac time on the body file. Create a timeline. All right, so when we look at this, we see here's this bin bcab file that looked ancient. So it was giving us information about an ancient file. So let's try that one. So that's at inode 4945. So we basically want to look at the contents of that file. So we can say 4945 icat. It's just going to dump the contents of the file with that inode. Oh, we got it backwards. 5. Right, so there's the manual for the icat command. So you give it the image and then the inode. This looks like base 64 to me. So let's just do that for base 64-C. And then they told us to wrap this in the normal flag format. So we'll copy that. And we'll say go CTF. Bam. And there is our flag.